Okay, welcome to the development of my railway. It's a Lionel O gauge, and what I've done is I've laid the outer track on the floor to make sure that it can fit the space. The design was done with RR track number 4, a very useful tool for assembling track into a particular space and ensuring that you have the right pieces to make the connection. My challenge was trying to ensure that a locomotive, which was very large, could make it up a steep incline without flipping and while carrying a load of cars. Initially, I had a switch right at this location, and the incline was too steep. So as you can see, I've extended it from this point forward right here around this curve and move the switch back several feet. Now going up the incline of a curve cannot be as steep as a straightaway, but it certainly did help. The locomotive in question that we're going to watch going around the track is this baby right here, which actually took a flip off the track not too long ago. It's a beautiful Union Pacific, and it's made by Lionel. Now, as you can see, as I go around the outside of the track, I put pillows in critical areas just to ensure that the train won't fall. So, shall we see how it goes? I'll do it very slowly. Okay, this engine uses a train master control. There we go. We've got contact. Lionel makes highly realistic locomotives that are a pleasure to run and even more fun to build layouts. As you can see from the paper below, that is where the tabletop will be cut. If I focus very closely, you will see outlines on the edge about 1.5 inches, sometimes 1.25 inches away from the track, and that will be the outside of the layout. My dog Oliver has taken a great interest in watching this train run, and every time he hears it, he comes running down into the basement to see the train run. Now I have to go around the curve very slowly. That was a close one. We'll go really slowly around this curve. I'm slowing it down, taking it easy. Oliver is completely entertained by it. I've been working on this layout for several weeks now, and RR track number 4 is a fabulous tool. Okay, Oliver. Oliver. Let the train do his business. He's almost around. Now this is where he fell. So we'll take it really easy. But it looks like I've done it. It's gone all the way around successfully. So my experiment of laying this out on the floor worked. Great job, eh, Oliver? Thanks for joining me. I'll share more videos as the construction of my layout continues.
Dispatcher here, emergency stop. We are stopped and everything's okay.